Hi everybody, my name's John. Today we're going to take a look at Genius's GX Gaming Series' new keyboard, the Manticore. Here's the package. And inside the package you get the user manual and the CD, which comes with the keyboard driver and the user interface software. You also get the keyboard. Let's take a closer look at it. The Manticore has mechanical-like backlit keys. The keys are divided into 3 separate color zones. You can select colors from the 16 million RGB color palette. There are also 20 anti-ghosting keys. Over here on the side, you have 8 macro keys. Down here you have 3 profile keys. This gives you 24 macros total. Up top, you have the media keys, as well as the master record key, which lets you record macros on the fly. On the back, 2 USB ports. Underneath, you have a slot to run your cable through. Cable is braided. It has a gold-plated USB plug. It's 1.8 meters long, which is a little under 6 feet. There's also 2 leg stands. They have rubber grips. There's also 5 other rubber grips to keep the keyboard from sliding around. And now, let's take a little closer look at the Scorpion user interface software. So after installing your user interface software, you'll restart your computer. Then you can go right down here, double click on the icon. It might take a few moments to load. And here we have it. So here you have your user interface software. This is the assign buttons page where you can assign your macros. As you can see, you have 8 different buttons you can assign. You have your 3 profiles down here. And now I'm going to show you how to create a macro. So click on Manage Macro. First thing you do is click New. So now type in a name. I'm just going to choose Name. And then hit Record. Type in your key combination. Hit the Stop button. And now this macro is saved right here. Now I'm going to show you the other way to create a macro. This is a little faster. First, what you do is hit your master record key at the top of the keyboard. So just hit the key. Now I type in a combination, hit the master record key again, and now it's saved right here. So I've got both of my macros that I just made right here. Now I'm going to go back to assign buttons. And here I can go choose my macros. Name for this one. And my other macro for this one. And so now my macros are all set up. Now let's look at the advanced setting. This is a neat option that lets you assign profiles to applications. Right now I have profile 1 assigned to this application. So whenever I open this profile will automatically load. You also have a Win key lock option if you need it. And now we have the light options. Here you have your 16 million RGB color palette, so you can choose nearly any color imaginable for each zone. So now I'm going to show you how to change the colors. Here's zone 1 right here. I'm going to make this magenta. Here's zone 2, make this, let's say, teal. And zone 3, make it a yellow. And now down here, you have your intensity. I'm going to leave it high. Pulsation, let's make it fast. And so now once you've got everything set up, go down here and click Apply. It's going to take a few moments to load. Alright, and once you have that set, you're good to go. That wraps up our presentation of the Genius Manticore keyboard. If you have any questions about this or any other Genius products, go to geniusnet.com or gx-gaming.com. I'm John. Thanks for watching.